Hi there, welcome back. Now what we're doing with this is showing you how to install Downloader either on your Firestick or on your BlueStacks. Now what Downloader is a program that allows you obviously to download other apps. Now this is really handy, so what I would suggest is on your Firestick go to your device main menu and scroll to settings. Now in settings, click on My Fire TV. In there you will find developer options and you want to turn on ADD debugging and allow apps from unknown sources. Once you've done that, type in here Downloader. You'll probably only have to put in DON and it will start to come up. Once you've got that, you will then have Downloader, and then once it's downloaded, install. It's very self-explanatory, but once this program is on, you'll be able to use all the other videos that I'm going to show you on how to get all set up and done. Now if you don't have a Fire Stick, you're probably thinking to yourself, well, how am I going to install this? There is the app called BlueStacks. Now if you've got BlueStacks, all you have to then do is go into your web browser and paste in troypoint.com/DL for downloader. Once you hit enter, it will then download it down here. Downloader. Open the file, which will then load into BlueStacks. It's just an APK file. BlueStacks opens all APK files up. Go to home, and there you see my games. We have Downloader, and click allow. I hope that's helped. It is really handy program with Downloader. What I'll do, my next video will be on file linked, because file linked is another one that's really handy. But to have this Downloader, you can download basically everything you need to. Okay, thank you very much.